Hello and welcome to another episode of Build Fixie. Today we're going to be building this bug out mosquito smoker that looks like a kitty cat for my buddy Dave. Alright, let's get at it.
Alright, so I'm just laying out what the catfish look like on some scrap material here.
Alright, I'm going to let the parts on the face cool down. I'm going to go on this little chamber that will burn like egg cartons and such. Got a rough sketch here of how I want it to sit. I kind of want the cat, you know, sometimes the cat will stretch out its front legs and sticks its butt up, so I'm going to try and mock that out right here.
Alright, just laying it out on the table. Find it a lot easier when I'm working with stuff like this. I can compare my piece to what I've written on the table, and I'm prepping and deburring the cook chamber. This is the end cap. I'm just radiusing off all these welds so they're nice and round. This is the door. It's gonna have a little hole in it for air intake. I don't want too much, just enough so it can smoke and smolder. And just firing up the propane forge.
Alright, so I got the front 2 feet cut out, I got the back 2 feet cut out. I'm actually going to weld them together on the ends. That way when I forge them into their shape, they'll both be identical.
So nothing fancy here. Just getting the radiuses that I want and stuff like that. Just bending it. This is for the little mouth that comes out of the nose. Using this little jig here I made.
Okay, so I got the legs done. I'm happy with those. We're going to tack up the face now. This is that last piece there we forged. Just the mouth. Go like that. Got ears. We got a chin. And got an eye. Now where'd that nose go?
Alright, so this is the neck. This is where the smoke will come out. Just fitting on, tacking on the legs. Just tacks for now because I'm going to have to maybe hammer it out a little bit. You'll see in the next clip. Just so I can get the feet where I like them. And when I'm happy with it, I will weld it out. Just tacking on some whiskers here with some 308 TIG wire.
Alright, last thing to do before paint is make a tail.
This is just some 1/2 inch round stock. I wanted to put some texture in it. I just didn't want it to look like just normal round. It needed a little bit of taper on it and some curl in it.
Alright. Time to get some paint on it. That works good, I like that. Alright, so we got some paint on it. The missus was nice enough to surprise me and paint the eyes and the nose. So let's go try it out.
There you have it. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know how well it actually keeps mosquitoes away, but at least it'll look half decent. Thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.